Szymon Przybylski, Allegro, Atmosphere Conference, and action. Hello, Szymon.
Hello.
We are hosting Szymon Przybylski at Atmosphere Conference. Szymon, how is the conference?
Actually, it's great. It's my second year here, second edition, and second time on Atmosphere Conference. I really like the atmosphere of the Atmosphere Conference. Lot of people that I know, so we can meet and talk. That's great.
You are dealing with frontend. You were talking about the frontend today at your lecture. So, if you were to compare frontend today and let's say 5 years ago, what would you say has changed?
Actually, a lot of things changed, because nowadays we are building a web application that are working directly on the front end in the browser, as the browser as a client, and more and more business logic of applications is moving to client side. So now we have complex applications running on the client side, and we didn't have it like 3 years ago.
You were talking about the tools for front-end developers. We all front-end developers might know. We know about the debug tools for Chrome, for Firefox. They are standard. But you are talking also about more advanced tools. What would you recommend?
I was talking about mainly about build tools. That the ecosystem of the front end really evolved, as I said, in few recent years, and tools move on with it. And build tools are basically task runners that pre-process a lot of code and optimize and automate a lot of stuff.
Mm-hmm. Atmosphere is all about scalability and optimization. Can you tell me how big role front-end has in this process of optimizing and scaling our applications?
The front-end is really interesting, because on the front-end our users, our clients meet our infrastructure is just a point where all those two words meet together, and it's a glue for both those layers. And the important thing is that with a slow and heavy UI, your users won't benefit with all those scalability and optimization that you did on the backend, because they simply won't see it.
Mm-hmm. The Atmosphere is a conference mainly for DevOps. Can you tell me, do you think DevOps should care about front-end a lot? Is front-end really important in terms of performance and optimization?
Yeah, but it's other sort of performance issues you are dealing with on the front-end side. But yeah, DevOps, the people from the backend, should care about the front end, because there is a place where they can meet with the users. Technology, implementations can meet with with our clients, with our customers.
You think front end or back end is more important for them?
I think both are equally important.
And you are dealing with front end, but not only. What are you doing also with?
I could say that I'm a full stack developer, because in my team we are developing software from bottom to top. So I'm often responsible for spawning machines in cloud, deploying applications to them, writing the implementation of a backend code in PHP or Java, and I'm also a front-end guy that deal with HTML and CSS.
So they are complex. They are complex projects.
Yeah, that,
Yeah. So I wish you all the best with those projects. Szymon Przybylski was our guest at Atmosphere Conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you.